Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture provides a concise summary of the key ideas covered in my complete 5-part AI Prompting Essentials series. In this lecture, we will look at how to use artificial intelligence more effectively, responsibly, and professionally. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to explain the appropriate role of AI, define a prompt and differentiate between a prompt and prompt engineering, choose a suitable AI tool for a particular task, structure prompts more effectively, provide useful context, and refine AI responses, determine how much verification an AI-generated response requires, protect sensitive or restricted information, and explain how AI use can gradually progress toward responsible automation and AI agents. Keep one idea in mind. Better AI results do not come from one perfect prompt. Professional AI use follows a complete process. Think clearly, prompt effectively, verify carefully. AI can accelerate research, drafting, analysis, creativity, learning, and routine work. But it cannot guarantee accuracy, accept responsibility, or replace professional judgment. AI should help us think, not think for us. Understand AI's role. Before using AI, define the task, required outcome, and what success should look like. A polished response may still be incomplete, outdated, biased, or wrong. AI can support learning, creating, improving, analyzing, brainstorming, and decision-making. It can explain concepts, improve content, analyze information, generate ideas, and compare options. But AI should support decisions, not make them for us. For consequential or high-risk decisions, appropriate human oversight and accountability should remain in place. Understand prompts and prompt engineering. A prompt is the instruction, question, information, or combination of these provided to an AI system to guide its response. It may be simple. Summarize this paragraph, or more detailed, including the objective, context, role, format, limitations, and expected output. A vague or incomplete prompt may produce a weak or misleading response. Prompt engineering is the systematic process of designing, structuring, testing, and refining prompts to produce more useful and appropriate outputs. Effective prompts can also be saved, reused, and adapted for similar tasks. Reusable prompts and templates are therefore a practical part of prompt engineering. Even a well-designed prompt, however, still requires verification and professional judgment. Choose the tool and structure the prompt. Instead of asking, which AI tool is the best, ask, which tool is most appropriate for this task? Use the tool selection triangle. Capability, ease, trust. Capability, can it perform the task? Ease. Can it produce the result efficiently? Trust. Can you rely on its output and information handling? Trust is especially important when sensitive, personal, proprietary, or professional information is involved. Then structure the prompt using the golden prompt framework. Goal, persona, context, constraints. Goal, what should AI achieve? Persona, what role or perspective should it use? Context, what background information does it need? Constraints, how should the response be presented? The key lesson is clear communication, not magical wording, produces stronger results. Provide context and refine. AI needs context that is relevant, accurate, current, and sufficient. More information is not always better. When providing reference material, identify the authoritative source, required information, expected output, and anything AI must not introduce. Effective prompting is usually iterative. Ask, review, refine, evaluate, improve, finalize. Review the response, identify gaps, refine the instructions, and continue until the result is suitable. This is an important part of prompt engineering, but the result must still be verified. Verify and protect. Instead of asking, can I trust AI? Ask, how much should I trust this response? Verification should match the risk. Low risk, quick review. Moderate risk, check important facts, calculations, references, assumptions, and completeness. High risk, independent verification and qualified human review may be necessary. We must also protect the information we provide to AI. Use the STOP framework. S, sensitive. Is the information confidential, personal, proprietary, or restricted? T, trusted. Is the tool approved and trusted? O, ownership. Do you own the information or have permission to share it? P, policies. Does its use comply comply with policies and applicable laws. If uncertain, stop and review. The goal is informed trust, not blind trust. Develop responsible automation. AI use can gradually progress from one prompt, repeated prompt, reusable template, custom instructions, automation, AI agent. A repeated prompt can become a reusable template or workflow. Parts of that workflow may later be automated, while an AI agent may perform several connected steps toward a defined objective. But automation should build on a process that already works. Do not automate an unreliable process simply because automation is possible. Suitable tasks are generally repetitive, consistent, and easy to verify. Greater autonomy requires clear objectives, permissions, boundaries, human review, and failure controls. Remember, good automation removes repetition. Great automation preserves human judgment. The aim is to use AI where it adds value while retaining human involvement where judgment, accountability, or expertise is required. Conclusion: better AI results require more than a good prompt. Choose the right tool, provide relevant context, refine through iteration, verify according to risk, protect sensitive information, and automate only reliable processes. Above all, think clearly, prompt effectively, verify carefully. AI can support us, but responsibility remains with us. For a deeper explanation of these concepts, you can watch the complete 5-part AI Prompting Essentials series on the channel. If you found this lecture useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.